open the present. Open it now. Open it.
What's that?
Is she gonna place plants into it?
Oh, what's this?
No. Smell
That's
it.
your bear.
Smell it. Smell it.
Wow.
Smell
Where
it.
are you going? Hey, Bella. Bella, how's the bear go? Yeah.
She showed me and Gabby that earlier. Smell it. Yeah. Smell the bear.
Can you give your bear a kiss? Mwah. You give him a kiss, a big kiss.
Smell the bear.
Mwah. Woo! I love the bear.
I think she's gonna smell the bear. Peace. Smell the bear.
I'm so tired.
Make her
I think it's so soft she just wants to take a nap with it. Is that right?
Is she gonna smell it? Can I get the other present?
Mwah.
It's already been a warm. It's been.
Thank you, Diego.